Here we have Ince Castle fitted with a Youchoos Castle sound decoder and sugar cube speaker, all fitted in the tender. So let's just start the sound up, and it will just sit there simmering away, and if you leave it, it will just randomly do any one of the pre-programmed sounds every now and then. However, let's look at some of the sounds that it's got. So we have the standard whistle. It also has several other whistles as well, so we can find those. We've got function 6, function 7, we've got the blower sound, and there's two versions of that, blower 1 and blower 2. Various coupling up sounds, steam injector, steam pump, lovely little sound there, more coupling up sounds, there it goes again, guard's whistle, wheel slip, currently set quite quietly, doors closing on the coaches, more whistles, and that's about it for the sounds when it's static. So if I set it moving, I'm going to move it forwards against the buffers. You can hear it speeding up then. A nice acceleration. And when it gets to speed, it eases back. And now we can hear one of the other sounds, the rail clack. And now just cruising chuffing. If I make it slow right down, you'll hear the cylinder clank. And there we are, there's one or two more other functions on there, additional whistles, blowers, and you can even change the volume on functions 20 and 21 without having to reprogram it.